Well, assalamu alaikum, my honorable Allah bless you. There is an God, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu Ope top Islam. Hello, many is for man. Many is mortal allies. Speak the truth. Hello, never tell a lie. In the present time is the most important time. I am a historical man. Hello, listen to me, my honorable. Come here for your respirate. Listen to me. I meet the respirate. If you, my friend, follow one by one. I am a historical man. Try myself. Are you very hungry, my honorable customer? I come from my home. I am a historical man. This is road of the man. For your respirate. In the present time is the most important time. My name is MD Shoel. Village is Swarnashi. My homeland, in our my country. I love my country. I am a historical man. My mother language Bangla. My income is always English talking. I am a historical man. Hello, one by one. Are you very hungry? Listen to me, my brother. Little brother, আমার বড় ভাই, ছোট ভাই, যুবক ভাই, I should respect it that. ওহে আমি সর্বদা বড়কে সম্মান করি এবং ছোটকে স্নেহ করি। ওহে তুমি কি ক্ষুধার্ত? দয়া করে আমার কাছে লিসেন তুমি কামিয়া। খাইলে খাও না খাই
কোনটা
মিষ্টি দিই না। বানাইছো He's like in the case. I look after my body care.